take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Time for a super quick golden party look. Now, starting with our eyebrows already done and our eyelids already primed, I'm going ahead and taking this small little, I use it generally for my lower lash line, but you know, we're using it for the crease today. I'm taking a light brown kind of milk chocolatey shade, and I'm going ahead and blending that into my crease and defining my eye shape a little bit before I just smack a whole bunch of metallic and glitter shades on there. Gotta give this a little bit of structure, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and smack those metallic shades on there. So just using my finger and a kind of dirty gold looking metallic shade, I'm using that and smacking that right on there and not being too careful about it. And yeah, now I'm lining my lower lash line just to kind of give more definition. And now I'm taking a glitter-based liquid eyeshadow and blending that out so I get the glitter kind of everywhere. And yeah, that's kind of it. I mean, you can really add eyeliner or lashes to this. I thought I really just like the simplicity of this. This is a fun, like, going out kind of party type look. I do recommend tight lining and water lining. As you can see, I've already kind of done that from just doing so much makeup on myself. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!